Zaragoza, the capital of Spain's autonomous region of Aragon, follows its own pace. Grand palaces, a Baroque basilica, and a fortress with turrets serve as reminders of the area's former kingdomly prominence. The city is worth eating your way through because of the local tapas culture in addition to its amazing architecture and fascinating history. Visit the Roman ruins of the Caesar Augusta Forum, hot baths, great theatre, and river port to learn more about Zaragoza's founding in the 1st century BCE. The Cathedral Basilica of Our Lady of the Pillar and the Aljaferra Palace stronghold, which dates to the 11th century, are two further architectural gems. A stroll through the Old Town will lead you to Salvador Cathedral, which features medieval tapestries and the Renaissance-style building known as La Longa, which is just as much of a work of art as the artwork it displays inside its magnificent hall. There are several locations in Zaragoza where you can partake in Spain's well-known tapas culture, but for an extra touch of charm, try Casa Lac, which is reputed to be the nation's oldest legally operating restaurant. With popular dishes like migas, a typical meal made with breadcrumbs, and mushrooms served in a number of delectable ways, the El Tubo neighborhood is ideal for bar hopping and tasting out various tapas. Additionally, borrajas-based stews and the legendary local lamb dish ternasco are worth trying, a type of green vegetable. It's no secret that the Zaragoza Basilica is one site in Zaragoza that you simply must visit. Zaragoza is worth seeing just because of this enormous holy site alone. The Basilica of Our Lady of the Pillar, which can be seen on Plaza del Pilar, immediately and strongly leaves an impact. Beyond its size, it's difficult to miss the numerous little domes with colorful tiles and the 4 large towers that stand at each corner. You should view this magnificent church exterior from both the square in front and the river in order to fully appreciate it. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. One of the best things to do in Zaragoza is to visit the picturesque riverfront, despite the fact that this seems like a trivial and weirdly particular reason. The Ebro River passes by the city's historic district as lush trees lie in its banks. The landmarks along and beside the river, however, are what really provide this location its attractive qualities. The Puente de Piedra Bridge is the location that needs to be known the most. The best place to view the river is from this 17th century bridge, where you can also get a great view of the Zaragoza Basilica. On the other hand, kayaking on the river is another option for viewing the city. The Virgin Mary is said to have appeared here about 2000 years ago on a marble pillar. Since then, other extraordinarily elaborate churches have been constructed there, the greatest of which is the stunning basilica that stands today. When you go, you can climb the North Tower and take in the city's numerous steeples and domes. Amazing paintings that illustrate the life of numerous saints may be found inside. You'll also get time to examine the 10 smaller domes that support the main central dome. Of course, the marble pillar on which Mary is reputed to have descended is the main attraction, and the lines of devoted people lining up to kiss it are probably the most fascinating aspect of the entire experience.